Hello, kids. Hope you are doing well today. I am going to show you um, a quick lesson today to help you figure out how to use your online curriculum and try to show you how it matches up with your reading language arts book here. And so, if I click on this, it'll kind of give you the rundown. The first thing you need to do is click on the HMH link to help get you into the curriculum. And today we're going to start our first unit called Eyes on the Prize. And you'll get an introduction to the unit. You'll learn the essential question. You'll be able to watch a video that goes along with the first lesson and learn some new big idea words, see the knowledge map, and practice central idea reading skill on the text, The Road to Success. And so I'm going to take you through that right now. So the first thing you do is click your link and it will open up the curriculum site. And it will ask you for your username and password, and you can click sign in. I'm already signed in over here, so I'm just going to open that. The next thing you need to do is a bit tricky. If you notice here, you have your smiley face and it says Ed, and then you have to select a program. Make sure that doesn't say 5th grade. You need to click this down arrow and click on 6th grade if it's showing 5th. And you want to make sure you see Malala here. And the first module is called Eyes on the Prize. And if you scroll down a little bit, you guys don't have all of these gray buttons, but you definitely have one called My Book. You can open that. I'm going to close out of some of this other stuff I don't need. Okay. Sorry. And when you click on My Book, I'm going to go back, just show you where I was again. Sorry, I was closing out some of the old stuff from 5th grade. So you're going to click My Book and it will open up. That is your textbook. It's the same thing. And it's just organized by module. So you're going to click Module 1, Eyes on the Prize, and open it. And when you do that, let's see here, you see Malala. And she's holding up, oh, is that her note? Did she win the Nobel Prize? I'm going to feel bad if I tell you the wrong thing. I think that was, you might have to Google that and see if that's what she's holding up there in the Nobel Prize. Anyway, she says in the text, let us make our future now and let us make our dreams tomorrow's reality. And so our first unit is having your eyes on the prize, or focusing on what you want to get accomplished in life. What is your goal? How can you get there? So here I'm showing it in the book, kind of matches this page. And if you click to the next page, it doesn't look exactly like the book, but they both have the essential question, which is, what is the path to success? We all don't have the same goals in life, so our successes are all going to be a little bit different. And we all are going to choose our own path on how we want to reach success. Let's see. I want you to go ahead and watch this video. It talks about 3 different important people. And you can answer the question that comes at the end of it just to yourself. And then go ahead and click to the next page. If you're in your My Book, it's, what am I showing you? Yeah, that's the right one. It does show you the big idea words in here too, and it gives you a visual aid to add some notes to. It says words about paths to success. And anyway, here we have our main big idea words that are going to come up. They came up in the video you just watched, and they're going to come up throughout the unit. Eminent, is an adjective. We could use it to describe a person. We would say they were eminent if they're well known and respected. So when you are looking at this chart, I don't know if you can see it very well. I see the word eminent, and then it has 3 boxes around it. So you could put respected in one of the boxes because it's a synonym for eminent. You could think about somebody who you respect a lot in your life. Grandma, mom, dad, Michael Jordan. If you like basketball, it could be anybody. And you can write their name down there, and it will help you build your web of what that word means and what connections you have to other people or ideas with that word. You have the example that Jane Goodall is an eminent animal scientist who is best known for her work with chimpanzees. Your next big idea word is dedication. It's a noun that means extreme devotion or commitment to a task or purpose. Our drama teacher won a teaching award for her dedication to her students. You might be dedicated to school. You might be dedicated to helping out around the house. You might be dedicated to becoming the greatest volleyball player or soccer player on the planet. It means you probably practice a lot. Your next word is attain. It's a verb, and it's when you achieve something, you attain it, you get it. You can attain a degree in college, you get a degree. You can attain your diploma in high school, you get it. My little sister was happy to attain her goal of school spelling champion. So she got it. She achieved it. And the next one is initiatives. And then for us, this word is a noun. Somebody can take the initiative, but for us, it's going to be an important program or a plan that's intended to solve a problem. So at school, we have school-wide initiatives. For us, we also have the recycling initiative that they talk about in this sentence. The recycling initiative at school has resulted in fewer items going into the garbage. So it's a recycling program. Initiative is kind of a synonym for a program. And the next thing in your book, in your hard copy too, you have 2 whole pages that you can write on, your knowledge map. And for us, everything we are reading has to do with success and what path do people take to get success? How do they reach it? And so you're going to be learning about people's goals or goals you could set. You're going to be learning about what happens when obstacles or challenges get in the way. And you're going to be learning stories about how people have been inspired to reach success. So as you're reading throughout the week, you can write notes that have to do with any of these main headings on your knowledge map. You don't have to write anything today. And as you click through, last but not least, this is the text that I want you to read. But before that, I do want to give you a quick mini lesson on the central idea. Central idea just means what the text is mostly about. And when you are reading a nonfiction text, looking for the central idea, pay attention to the headings, to any visuals, to the first and last sentence, and to repeated words. Those will help give you the gist or the main idea. You probably heard it called the main idea a lot in school already. It's the same thing as the central idea. You also want to start evaluating the details, really thinking hard about examples they give and facts and evidence and the descriptions they give. So you use all these keys to open the door to help you identify the central idea, using text clues. You also want to evaluate details to determine the key ideas that support the central idea. So your mission now is going to be to read The Road to Success and make sure you're paying attention to the first sentence. It may hint to have your big idea in it, your central idea. And then as you look through here, you can see there are other headings and it's even numbered. And as always, before you start reading, try to set a purpose. So I know the title is The Road to Success, and I see that there are 5 people that it looks like maybe they're going to talk about. So I'm guessing I'm hoping I learn, what road each of these people took to help them become successful. And if you like, you can ask it to play the audio for you.
Short read.
And it will.
The road to success.
And
the path to glory is not.
So that's all you have for today. You're just practicing using these, using your curriculum online. And we also made sure that we were connecting it to the hard copy text. Some things I will ask you to do in here, and some things I will ask you to fill out online. And that's it. I hope you have a great day.